What's up? Happy New Year. How's it going? How's it going? My last recording session was a few days before New Year or even Christmas maybe. And then जो collabs थे मेरे वो हो गए release रोहन का एक और एक राज के साथ vlog कर लिया दिल्ली में record. So I thought let's release that as the first like video of the year. But now I was sitting for my first recording session this year and I said, let's get to the most requested thing ever. Just saying. Keychain Lalu. So I don't know what is the meaning behind this name. क्योंकि ये नाम ही बहुत what's the word? अतरंगी सा है ना? Keychain Lalu. Is it like a reference to something he has talked about before in his live streams or videos with you guys? So my little dear keychain, oh my precious keychain Lalu. Okay. I've Googled it and it's telling me album theme is careful love, intimacy and memory, nostalgia and purity. In essence, Keychain Lalu is about treasuring a person or relationship as a precious, intimate keepsake kept safe and close to the heart. Okay, fine. Let's just get to the song. So I was looking at the track list. I'm going to do this reaction in one straight listening session and I will probably not deep dive into the lyrics simply because फिर बहुत लंबी video हो जाएगी and this year I have made a resolution to not do very long videos. Some of you will love that, some of you will hate it, but it is what it is. I want to do more videos, so I'll have to reduce the time I spend in each video. This is a listening session strictly. It's not a deep dive like I usually do. And for that, we'll wait for individual videos and songs, है ना? So we've already deep dived होता है या dove होता है? We deep dove into प्यारी अमानत and कैसे मनाए, है ना? उसका उन दोनों का reaction हो गया है. So I'm not going to listen to those. So we'll start from Chuppi, Champakali. He likes this word, no? He likes this flower. It's a flower, right? तारों से दराज में. Then I'll take a quick break. And then we'll listen to Best Friend, Rakh Lo Tum Chupa Ke, and RTC Bonus. Correct? So 9 songs are there. We'll listen to 7, 4, and a 3. The break is just for my reference. You guys will not see that. And the rest are all instrumental. So that's nice that he's released that. But coming back to Pyari Amanat and what it was, you know what? Actually, let's just listen to Pyari Amanat also. Because यहाँ पे पूरी playlist है ना YouTube पे. So I'll just go through it. Songs 1 to 9. That way I'll get the flow and vibe of, moving from one song to the next. So, theek hai. Let's begin. Keychain Lalu, Arpit Bala, most requested project. And yeah. 1, 2, 3, play. Thinking about this later.
एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली एक सोते से मन को यूं उठा दिया वो जो कारी करी तेरी जो छुपती नहीं क्यों ये पलकों के पीछे तेरा ही जहर एक ऐसा पता जिसे घर तू बनाती उस घर की तरफ मैं मेरी प्यारी अमानत है तू है घर की सजावट मेरी प्यारी अमानत है मेरी प्यारी सी यादें कौन रखेगा पलकों के पीछे यूं छुपा कर और कौन कहेगा तुझसे जैसे मैं भी तेरी हूँ अमानत मैं भी तेरी हूँ एक अमानत वो जाना बताए बिना फिर घर आना दबे पैर अंदर किस्मत से तुम्हें उठा देना और जाना तुम्हें वो मनाना है मंजूर तुमको भी मेरी ये आदत जो तुझसे सबसे छुपा था कि जाना मैं जाने बहाने कुछ पल के लिए तुमको मनाता। एक चाय की प्याली को दिया करके तेरी करता मैं पूजा। दो बातों की बिस्किट को छोड़ के बातें बातों का जो चढ़ावा है मंजूर ये भी मुझे की है काके तुम्हें ही सुलाना और जाना। ये है कुछ बहाने जिन बहाने मैं तुमको मनाता। प्यारी अमानत शिकायतों से करती क्यों वकालत, शिकायतों से मेरी प्यारी अमानत। मैं भी तो तेरी हूँ एक अमानत, तेरी एक अमानत।
This video is cool, right? I won't comment on the video, but I'm just gonna say that AOD got it and Angad Virk and extra production by Bharg. Beautiful. I think the guitaring at the end must have been Bharg. Pause. And एक second, credits. I just want to see something. It's a lovely start to the project. Really set the vibe. Hanish Taneja, mix master. बहुत ही beautifully mix master हुआ है ये track because इतने elements पीछे से सुनाई दे रहे थे इस बार. I was like, God damn, son. Like when that scratch bit is going on, there's actually some vocal layer coming in there. And I can't tell what they're saying, but kuch hai wahan pe. And then those sounds, and then how the guitar gets introduced towards the end section. The layering is really insane. The mix master and everything, the production elements of it. Beautiful. That flow that he took in the middle, which I'm seeing is the most replayed part on the song. One sec. That whole bit is it really reminded me of something. Anyway, whatever it was, beautiful. That entire section is so good. And his writing, Arpit man, what is happening? Ye sensitive side kahan se? No, in all seriousness, he's definitely got the vulnerability down pat for a song like this, whether it's in his writing or in his vocals, in his delivery, in his camera presence, all of it. Really nice. Chalo, let's go to Chuppi. And then, एक second, Chuppi ka, I just want to see. Okay. Okay. Safar, Adil, AOD, Angad Virk again. Very nice. Producer, recording engineer, AOD, producer, Angad Virk, mix master, Hanish Taneja, producer, Adil. Arpit, Adil, Angad, Adi, composer, lyricist, Suman Mandi. Okay. So, oh, that's Safar, right, Suman? Okay, cool. These are just credits that are there in this YouTube. Chuppi, chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
हल्के से देखो आंखें ना भर आए, इन चोट को छेड़ के बैठे बस मैं और तू। बातों ही बातों
Oh,
में तेरी आंखें कह रही हैं, तू डरती है जिन चीजों से मैं उनकी ही सजा हूँ। तू चेहरा भी छुपा ले, तेरी चुप्पी भी है काफी, इस बदले तू बस कह दे सब कुछ बेबी मैं खड़ा हूँ।
Tell me if you really fuck with me, cause I don't wanna see you stuck with me. क्या तू जानती क्या सोचता मैं तेरे बारे, या बस सुनती जो लोग बोले मेरे बारे। क्या है प्यार, क्या है दर्द, क्या है दुख, क्या है झूठ तेरे लिए, क्या है सोचती है तू। क्या तू देगी मेरा साथ, या तू रहना चाहती खुश, क्या तू देखती वो दर्द जो छुपाए मेरी भूख।
क्या ये बचेगा तुझे की रखूं वॉलेट में पैसे और उसके पीछे तेरी फोटो, क्या तू समझे मेरी भूख, क्या तू समझे कि वो चोट क्यों ये पैसे बदले रंग, क्या तू बदले देखे नोट फिर तू बदले में दे चोट। हाँ, ये बचेगा नहीं तो मुझे बोल दे, बता के नहीं बोल दूंगा तेरे लिए छोड़ दे सपा के। क्या ही बचेगा तू सोचती क्या तोड़ने से पहले, क्या बटोर लेगी तू वो भी क्या हाथ में थमा दे। क्यों चुभते तुझे मेरे सवाल, क्या है तू मेरे पास, कौन सा साही समझ लूं या दे जवाब, क्या है तू मेरे पास। बातों ही बातों में तेरी आंखें कह रही हैं, तू डरती है जिन चीजों से मैं उनकी ही सजा हूँ। तू चेहरा भी छुपा ले, तेरी चुप्पी भी है काफी, इस बदले तू बस कह दे सब कुछ बेबी मैं खड़ा हूँ।
रात में चार से पूछूं मैं जैसे क्यों है चेहरे पे ये तेरे, जो मिलता है राहों में बेगाना सा क्यों लगे, बल्कि लिए से भी रोक ले वक्त खोए। अगर जिंदा हूँ यादों में फिर ना हूँ मैं क्यों फिर ये ना तू जाने ना मैं जानूं, जो की कहानी थी लिखता हूँ कौन आगे तो।
hey, you know what? My mind is blown by what I just heard. I'm just saying that we need to listen to it again because ek to when the beat kicked in and the sort of, yeah, the rap started, the first verse, I for a second didn't even feel like I didn't recognize Arpit. And then I Googled the lyrics and I was on the lyrics page and I was like, oh, it's him. I just thought maybe is it Suffer? And if it's Suffer, then I've not heard this voice from Suffer before because the Suffer voice is completely different. So I was just like, who is this? And sorry, but it was a bit shocking the way his vocals changed. Bro, I was not ready for it. I was not ready. Let's just listen to this again. Now I have the lyrics open. I'm gonna sing while the song was on, like the starting intro portion was on. I had zoomed in and I'm looking at the elements in the cover art, and just like enjoying the laid backness of it. And then suddenly, bam! I was like, hold on. Just snap me out of that. And then the song itself, I'll get to what it's saying. But quickly, before I press replay on Chuppi, ये session लंबा ही होगा. I have a feeling. एक तो ये in the air there is some tone paper that's flying around, right? Looks like a tone photograph. So that's one. He's leaning against a sofa ka behind. So that is because they wanted him to lean. I was like, why is it the back of the sofa? So I'm like, okay, they wanted him to lean. If it was the front of the sofa, he would have had to sit, right? That's the simple explanation I'm taking. But he's there, he's listening to music, he's looking up. There's a very girly pink unicorn telephone on the side. There's a little heart wala letter. There's a transformer without a head, 2 of them. So ये मतलब कहाँ क्या हो गया, धुरंधर में थे क्या? Sorry. There's a vinyl on the floor. There's another this thing. There's all these flowers. There's an iPod. We haven't seen those in ages. I, by the way, have one of those. Those vintage now they are. I have my old iPod. There's a pile of papers or a book. There's another letter with a heart seal. And there seems to be like a box. And it could be a box of memories. There's Popeye the Sailor Man sitting on it, which is too cute. And then there's an image there. Now, I don't know if that's Arpit and his girlfriend or that's Arpit and Safar. No, Safar, sorry. Safar is a guy. Some people were messaging me saying it's a girl. No, it's a guy, guys. It's a guy, guys. Okay, ठीक है. So ये हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So ठीक है. That kind of sums up the vibe. चुप्पी. Let's listen to it one more time quickly. Quickly क्या? 4 मिनट है. 4 मिनट ही लगेंगे. 1, 2, 3, play. I'll read the lyrics. So she's quiet. And he's like, talk to me. I like it.
हल्के से देखो आंखें ना भर आए इन चोट को छेड़ के बैठे बस मैं और तू
झूठ को छेड़ के बैठे क्यूट इन झूठ को छेड़ के बैठे Are they breaking up?
बातों ही बातों में तेरी आंखें कह रही हैं तू डरती है जिन चीजों से मैं उनकी ही सजा हूँ तू चेहरा भी छुपा ले तेरी चुप्पी भी है काफी इस बदले तू बस कह दे सब कुछ बेबी मैं खड़ा हूँ
Tell me if you really fuck with me Cause I don't wanna see you stuck with me क्या तू जानती क्या सोचता मैं तेरे बारे या बस सुनती जो लोग बोले मेरे बारे क्या है प्यार क्या है दर्द क्या है दुख क्या है झूठ तेरे लिए क्या है सोचती है तू क्या तू देगी मेरा साथ या तू रहना चाहती खुश क्या तू देखती वो दर्द जो छुपाए मेरी भूख
क्या ये बचेगा तुझे की रखूं वॉलेट में पैसे और उसके पीछे तेरी फोटो क्या तू समझे मेरी भूख क्या तू समझे कि वो चोट क्यों ये पैसे बदले रंग क्या तू बदले दे के नोट फिर तू बदले में दे चोट हाँ ये बचेगा नहीं तो मुझे बोल दे बता के मैं ही बोल दूंगा तेरे लिए छोड़ दे सपा के क्या ही बचेगा तू सोचती क्या तोड़ने से पहले क्या बटोर लेगी तू वो भी क्या हाथ में थमा दे क्यों चुप थे तुझे मेरे सवाल क्या है तू मेरे पास कौन सा साही समझ लूं याद जवाब क्या है तू मेरे पास बातों ही बातों में तेरी आंखें कह रही हैं तू डरती है जिन चीजों से मैं उनकी ही सजा हूँ तू चेहरा भी छुपा ले तेरी चुप्पी भी है काफी इस बदले तू बस कह दे सब कुछ बेबी मैं खड़ा हूँ
रात में चांद से पूछूंगा जैसे क्यों है चेहरे पे ये तेरे जो मिलता है राहों में बेगाना सा क्यों लगे बल्कि मेरे से भी रोक ले वक्त को ये अगर जिंदा हूँ यादों में फिर मैं क्यों फिर तू जाने
Nice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Both these artists and the producers. What is this sonicscape? I just cannot get over it. Oh, the strings that came in at the end. Ah, and Safar's voice. Oh, I'm sorry, but I have not heard such a different, unique, mesmerizing voice and just, uh, uh, for lack of a better word, unique artistry like this in so long. मेरे को goosebumps every time I listen to any song of Safar's. That's what happens. इसमें तो मतलब second listen पे, there is something in that voice, the way it almost cracks, but not really, and it's not, it's not like someone who's trained classically or that kind. It just has its own sort of appeal. And I don't know how to even describe it, how it makes you feel, but it is freaking beautiful. The way it goes high and the way the emotion is packed into this voice. Because trust me, I hear so many artists all the time. I get sent music a lot. And I'm constantly giving feedback on Groover, especially to, upcoming new artists all the time. And when, the lyrics may be great, the music may be great, but when there is no emotion in the voice, even though they may be a good singer, some of them are not, even good at that, but sometimes they're very good at singing. Lekin the emotion doesn't cut through. Yahan par it's just, okay, it's on another level. And I love this artist. I think in dono ka pehla collab to already I have covered and I loved it. You all saw my reaction there. But ये जो गाना है बहुत ही क्यूट है. क्यूट क्या, it is deep and it's the micro moment. Again, I always say this, the micro moment, it's about the micro moment. This is a micro moment where they are sort of in the hanging phase, कुछ यहाँ है या वहाँ है पता नहीं है, silence है. It is that micro moment. And the way he's Arpit has written about it, I like off my hat because उस एक मोमेंट में इतना सब कुछ छुपा होता है, right? There's so many questions, there's so many thoughts, there's so many feelings, there's so much desire to just do something or say something or hug the person or just break down, or like there's so much packed into that micro moment. And the way he sort of lyrically tapped into it was just beautiful. I was admiring so many of these lines which are actually चुप्पी की धुन गाते बस मैं और तू. So I was like, wow, चुप्पी की धुन गाते, beautifully, poetically expressed. हल्के से देखो आंखें ना भराए, इन झूठ को छेड़ के बैठ बस मैं और तू. इन झूठों को छेड़ के होना चाहिए, right? I don't know if it's plural. इन झूठ, in is multiple, so anyway I think झूठों को छेड़ के होना चाहिए, but ठीक है, creative liberty. इन झूठ को छेड़ के बैठे बस मैं और तू. Then that voice of his kicks in. Well, the beat kicks in and the hook, and then the voice, which shocked the hell out of me, was tell me if you really. Okay, so बातों में तेरी आंखें कह रही हैं तू डरती है जिन चीजों से मैं उनकी ही सजा हूं. Just look at that thought. I am all those things that you're scared of. I am उनकी सजा. तू चेहरा भी छुपा ले, तेरी चुप्पी भी है काफी, इस बदले इस बदले तू बस कह दे सब कुछ पे. Okay. चुप्पी भी है काफी, बस just say something, right? So he's like, tell me, talk to me, say what you want. Tell me if you really, because I don't want to see you stuck with me. क्या तू जानती क्या सोचता मैं तेरे बारे, या बस सुनती जो लोग बोले मेरे बारे. Do you like it's this guy who's like, please don't judge me by what people say, right? Do you even understand how I feel about you? क्या है प्यार है, क्या है प्यार, क्या है दर्द, क्या है दुख, क्या है झूठ तेरे लिए, क्या है सोचती अब तू, क्या तू देगी मेरा साथ या तू रहना चाहती खुश. उफ ब्रो, इसमें बहुत बहुत पेन था इस लाइन में। क्या तू देगी मेरा साथ या तू रहना चाहती खुश। टफ मैन, दैट्स अ टफ वन। ओके, क्या तू देखती वो दर्द जो छुपाए मेरी भूख, क्या ये पचेगा तुझे कि रखूं वॉलेट में पैसे और उसके पीछे तेरी फोटो, क्या तू समझेगी मेरी भूख। So he's like, I need to keep the money and then you, because are you getting, what I'm focused on doing right now? क्या तू समझेगी वो चोट क्यों ये पैसे बदले रंग, क्या तू समझेगी वो चोट क्यों ये पैसे बदले रंग, क्या तू बदले देखे नोट फिर तू बदले में दे चोट। ओहो भाई साहब, हाँ ये पचेगा नहीं तो मुझे बोल दे बता के, मैं ही बोल दूंगा तेरे लिए छोड़ दे सब आके। 1 सेकेंड। हाँ ये बचेगा नहीं तो मुझे बोल दे बता के, मैं ही बोल दूंगा तेरे लिए छोड़ दे सब आके। क्या ही बचेगा तू सोचती क्या तोड़ने से, क्या ही बचेगा तू सोचती क्या तोड़ने से, क्या बटोर लेगी तू वो भी क्या हाथ में थमा के। दीज लाइन्स मैन, बहुत ही इंटेंसिटी है और एक आई वोंट से वेल्ड पेन है। पेन तो काफी ऑब्वियस है, लेकिन there's a veiled sort of pleading going on here, is what I would say. बैठा मैं क्यों चुपते तुझे मेरे सवाल क्या है तू मेरे पास, तू सजा ही समझ ले या दे जवाब। And then the hook, and then suffers lines, man. I'm sorry, but this voice, man, this voice is gonna like go places. रात भर छाए से पूछूं मैं, उदासी क्यों है चेहरे पे ये तेरे, जो मिलता है राहों में बेगाना सा क्यों लगे। पल के लिए ही सही रोक ले वक्त को ये, अगर जिंदा हूँ यादों में फिर बना हूँ मैं क्यों फिर यहीं। ब्रो, क्या तू जाने या मैं जानू, दिस क्या तू जाने या मैं जानू रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ ना मैं जानू ना तू जाने ना ना ना। उफ उफ, भीगी यादें ओरिजिनल वर्जन, go and listen to it. Okay, and then the lines are not here anymore, but man, what a song. Okay, I am sold 2-on-2. 2-on-2 is happening. I need to move on, but beautiful guys, beautiful, absolutely stunning writing and music and vocals। तो मतलब क्या ही, इसमें 3 वॉइसेस तो अर्पित के ही सुनाई दिए और फिर सफर की वॉइस। ओहो, लेट्स गो टू चंपा कली। It's a short song, 2 minutes. Let me quickly see if the lyrics are there. Yeah, they are. Wow, man. Well done, genius. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, play. I see the guitar floated.
एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली, एक सोते शहर को क्यों उठा दिया, वो जो कारी करी तेरी जो छुप ही गई, क्यों ये पी के भी तुझको ना भूले जिया। एक तारीख ऐसी जो बस चुभे, क्यों घुटन के कहती को फंसा दिया ये घुटन से, क्यों कहती को फंसा दिया। एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली, एक सोते शहर को क्यों उठा दिया, वो जो कारी करी तेरी जो छुप ही गई, क्यों ये पी के भी तुझको ना भूले जिया। पर साल जो साल ये घुटन बढ़े और जाम पे महंगे जो दाम लगे, चोरी छुपे है पिए चुपके से चुरा लिया, और घुटन भी भींगे जो प्याज पे हाँ चुरा लिया। क्या ही गुनाह किया जो हल्के सूरज ने बचा लिया, तो हाँ चुरा लिया। क्या ही गुनाह किया जो हल्के सुरूर ने बचा लिया। एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली, एक सोते शहर को क्यों उठा दिया, वो जो कारी करी तेरी जो छुप ही गई, क्यों ये पी के भी तुझको ना भूले जिया।
my God. Holy crap. Okay, I'm having a very, very visceral reaction to this, but now I see why the instrumentals have been released. Okay, I get it. I fully get it. What the hell is this music? What is this arrangement? What is going on? First of all, the flow from Chuppi to Champakali is just gorgeous with the strings. So freaking seamless, smooth, and like बस आपके heart strings ही pluck हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे, बस वही हो रहा है. Nothing else. You just, they plucked your heart strings right there and then took it into the next track. Oof, oof. Sorry, I'm very animated, but I can't. It's so fucking good. Oh, I'm cussing. You know it's good when I can't control myself. So recording engineer AOD, producer Angad Virk, mastering engineer Hanish Taneja, Turjo Natik, composer lyricist Arpit, Angad Turjo, Muhammad Ahmad Natik. Okay, so all of you, please take a bow. It is freaking beautiful. And yes, it's kind of like a carry forward of Pyari Hamana, along that flow and that line. But it's a whole other case study in mixing and the instruments used. मतलब क्या ही चल रहा था. I couldn't focus on one thing. I was like, ये क्या हुआ? Violin आ गया. फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा सा मुझे वो percussion का कुछ, was it tabla? I don't know. I mean, I've heard it once, but I am so happy. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry because I listen to songs all the time and I crave stuff that moves me. So I just get so happy. I just get so bloody happy. Man, Arpit, so good, so good. And a lot of people told me that, you've played snippets of this to your followers in your live streams and things like that. So people were waiting for these songs to officially drop. And now they're so happy that you've, I think, dropped all of them, or maybe not all, but most of them in this project. Man, as someone who's coming at this completely fresh with zero knowledge or, my history with the music or the songs, my mind is freaking blown. Freaking blown. This song, first of all, everything from its name to its flows, the writing, and like, I cannot thank you enough. I cannot thank you enough. This stuff literally saves the Indian music space from sounding boring and stale and formulaic and all those things. Like, thank God for you. Seriously, thank God. Oh, so good. Okay. Oh, sorry, let me breathe. My God, we need to read the lyrics. Guys, हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर ऐसे projects होंगे तो I cannot do a small video and a short listening session because it is unfair. I need to go over the lyrics, man. How can you not deep dive into music like this, right? It's just not possible. एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली, एक सोते शहर को क्यों उठा दिया, वो जो कारीगरी तेरी जो छुप ही गई, क्यों ये पी के भी तुझको ना भूले जिया. ओहो, ये सेंटिमेंट कितनी बार एक्सप्रेस हुआ है कि आई एम ड्रिंकिंग सो आई कैन फॉरगेट यू, राइट? ये थॉट, आई मीन, जमाने हो गए हर एक जॉनर में, हर एक, चाहे वो गजलें हो, चाहे वो हिंदी फिल्म सॉन्ग्स हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, everybody gets drunk to try and forget, but how to express that thought in a new way, with a new vibe. वो जो कारीगरी तेरी जो छुप ही गई, क्यों ये पी के भी तुझको ना भूले जिया, एक तारीख ऐसी जो बस चुभे, क्यों घुटन के कैदी को फंसा दिया. ओहो, ये घुटन से यूं कैदी को फंसा दिया. क्या थॉट है. हम कैदी हैं, हमने घुटन लूज. एनीवे, एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली, क्यों सोते शहर को उठा लिया, वो जो कारीगरी थे. ओके, बस पर साल जो साल ये घुटन बढ़े, और जाम में महंगे जो दाम लगे, चोरी छुपे पिए चुपके से चुरा लिया, और घुटन भी बिके जो ब्याज पे. ओहो ब्रो. हाँ, चुरा लिया क्या ही गुनाह किया, जो हल्के सुरूर ने बचा लिया, तो हाँ चुरा लिया क्या ही गुनाह किया, जो एक हल्के सुरूर ने बचा लिया. वो जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है, भाई साहब. इंस्पिरेशन, इंस्पो फ्रेज आ गया यहाँ पे. आई लव इट, आई लव इट. we are a product of our influences, aren't we? It's great. I love it. एक हवा चली महकी चंपा कली. ये चंपा कली को आपने जो फेमस किया है ना, I'm just saying. Ek second. Champakali is also the name of a sweet. Or is it only a sweet? I thought it's a flower. Sorry, guys. I'm a little dumb no, it is that. Oh, so okay, that flower which I've only mostly seen in Bali, that flower which is lying around his feet, that is the Champakali flower. Very nice. That's my favorite. I have hair clips of this Champakali flower. I love it. यहाँ नहीं है, घर पे है. But anyway, so my favorite flower, my favorite hair clip, now my favorite song. Just say. Who hurt you, bro? Just, I feel bad. But then it's resulting in music like this. So what to say? What to say? We are not happy someone broke your heart, but we are also happy. See? Oh, so good. Atma prasanna ho gayi hamari. Taron se, let's move on to the next track because I will just... Actually, one sec. I cannot move on. I'm not ready to move on. One sec. Flute भी आ रही है बीच में. Just go and listen, man, around the 20th second. ओहो, आफ्टर द क्यों कैदी को फंसा दिया, जो वो आता है वहां पे, आई थिंक वायलेंस शुरू हुआ है. It almost feels very there's a bit of like Arabic music influence, because the violin and that whole like kind of big arrangement is used a lot in Khaliji music, and it just like I'm gonna listen offline to the instrumentals, but there is a bit of that flavor, very slight like sprinkle of it. Then there's like the Spanish guitar. So the same instrument is being used, but in different forms, if that makes sense. The flute in the starting was a more sort of mellowish, then it goes into a slightly high, it's just, yeah. So how there are, like you give a musician a guitar, just like a normal acoustic guitar, and the different guitarists will pluck them different ways, right? A flamenco guitarist will pluck it differently. Probably, Arab music guitarists will pluck it differently, and indie artists will pluck it differently, so on and so forth. And so I feel like that is happening in some of the sections. I feel like the flute is being played differently here, and then here it's going in a different direction. And even with the little percussion elements, I felt that. Anyway, I just love it. Bottom line, I just love it. It was such a riveting mix, and so beautifully. Again, I have to give mad props to Hanish Taneja, because it essay tracks go right from track 1 to now track 3, the kind of sonics and elements that you've been given by these amazing producers, Turjo, Natik, Angad, everyone, AOD, everything that has been handed to the mix master engineer. Man, it takes a different level of surgical precision to get the mix right for things like this. The layers and number of tracks there must be, I cannot even imagine. So, Hanish Taneja, thank you so much. Okay, now let's move to Taro se. Now I'm feeling like, ho kya mera thank you bolne ka full this thing. Taro se, one sec. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
मेरे मन को क्यों चैन मिले, मुझे छू के ये तुम समा गए, रखता मैं वक्त तब से बचा कर, किया आदत ना बने, लगता सही पर क्या ही है गलत, किया आदत बने. मुझको मिली है, कहाँ से तू आई? तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, की है जहाँ वहाँ से उठा लूं तुझको, तुझको। तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, कि मैं भी देखूं तेरे कारीगर को। मेरे मन के परे है तू तारों से कहीं, ये चिट्ठी को मांझे में बांध के बैठकी उड़ जाए कहीं। मेरे मन के परे है तू परियों में बसी, मैं फांग के बैठ लूं बादल पे पर गिर जाऊं यहीं। इन परियों की दुनिया से तू पलकों के पीछे छुपी है तू, मैं देखो रात में जाके लूं, अब मैं करवटे नहीं। तारों की सुनो तो तुम हो परी, क्यों कैसे आ गई यूं मुझसे मिली है, कहाँ से तू आई? तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, की है जहाँ वहाँ से उठा लूं तुझको। तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, कि मैं भी देखूं तेरे कारीगर को। तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, कि है जहाँ वहाँ से उठा लूं तुझको। तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, कि मैं भी देखूं तेरे कारीगर को।
I cannot with this guy. Okay, I'm just saying. I don't know which song I like more. I just press play again on it because I can't I can't listen to it just once.
तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए, की है जहाँ वहाँ से उठा लूं तुझको। तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए।
Okay, it's the kind of music you immediately want to loop. I can't help myself. I'm just like sitting here thinking, what do I say? And just automatically my fingers moved to the replay button. Oh, okay. Arpit, man, thank God for you. Like, seriously, thank God. Thank God. Thank God for you. Thank God for you. Okay, we need to read the credits. Producer, recording engineer, AOD, producer Angad Virk, mix master Anish Taneja, producer Karan Kanchan. Oh, composer Karan Kanchan, Adi Nagpal, Angad Virk, composer lyricist Arpit Bala Bantare. Bala Bantare. Okay. And all the sessions musicians on this. Their names are not here, but whoever played on this track deserves applause. So freaking good. I have been saying this for so long now. There's a whole other level of emotional connect that gets established when you hear real music instruments on a track. And this is not to take away from, your beats and those kind of things, but when you hear the trumpets, when you hear the guitar, when you hear the drums, when you hear, the tabla or the flute or the sitar or the sarangi or the any रियल म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, जो भी एलिमेंट आप इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं गानों में, या गाने सिर्फ उन पे बेस्ड होते हैं, उसका इमोशनल कनेक्ट कुछ और ही होता है. दे हिट यू इन अ डिफरेंट वे, राइट? I feel like this was one of those laid back-ish ballads, which was in the middle. I got a little scared with one of the lines, but I'll tell you which one. Taron Se, it's just this guy who's clearly fallen for someone in love, and just like, I mean, it was just such cute writing, the kind that we would hear in old Hindi film music, which was just joyful lyricism, whenever it was romantic. It was just so pure and so simple and so just so real in its expression of the feelings and the love, I just love this because, one, it's giving you that space to be vulnerable and cheesy, but not in a rolling your eyes cheesy way. It's just very like, oh, that's so cute and cheesy, come, let me give you a hug. It's that, and I love it. I think more artists need to express like this, write like this, sing like this, and just, I mean, all the collaborators who have come together with him on every track, mad mix of creatives. Like, seriously, अभी तक एक अमेजिंग से बिलो गाना सुना ही नहीं है इस एल्बम में. It's just, it's, there's so much. Is this his first album? I think it is, है ना? There's so much purity of intent and artistry that I find it deeply, deeply admirable. It's like I'm going to assume it's his first. I'm dropping my first project. I've been, out there known for so many things. But when it comes to just putting the deeper me out there for everyone to hear and see, I'm going to make sure every little element of it is perfect before I put it out there in the world, and you can tell kitni mehnat lagi hai har ek gaane pe. From working with the people he's worked with, to writing every single line, to every single note that his voice is hitting. When he started singing this, I was like, hold on, what? The singing in this particular song is again introducing me to a different side of him, which I've not heard in the previous 3 tracks. And I was just like, what? 1 second. Is he comfortable in this space? And then as the track progressed, I was like, he's more than comfortable in this space. Beautiful, just beautiful. So as one must, lyrics. मेरे मन को क्यों चैन मिले, मुझे छू के ये तुम समा गए. मेरे मन को क्यों चैन मिले, मुझे छू के ये तुम समा गए. मन is feeling the चैन. वर्स, रखता मैं वक्त अब से बचा कर कि अब आदत ना बने. This almost felt like he's like, okay, I'm not going to do this again. I'm not going to, आदत नहीं लगने दूंगा. And then next line में ही आदत बन गई. लगता सही पर क्या ही है गलत कि अब आदत बन गए. So I tried, but I failed. तारों की सुनो तो तुम हो परी. This तुम हो परी, I was like, bro's gone full emo boy. I like it. परी कौन बुलाता है आजकल? It's too cute. परी is what? Fairy. क्यों कैसे आ गई ये मुझको मिली है, कहाँ से तू आई. तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताएं. ऐसे कौन बात करता है आजकल? I love it. Thank you, Arpit, for making this cool again. It's so required. Oh man, कि है जहां वहां से उठा लूं तुझको. तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताएं कि मैं भी देख तेरे कारीगर को. तारों से, ओके, रिपीट वर्स. मेरे मन के परे है तू तारों से कहीं, ये चिट्ठी को मांझे में बांध के बैरागी उड़ जाए कहीं. मेरे मन के परे है तू परियों में बसी, मैं फांग के बैठ लूं बादल में, पर गिर जाऊं यहीं. क्यूट यार। तू इन परियों की दुनिया से दूर, पलकों के पीछे छुपी है तू। अभी वो रात में जागे लूं, अब मैं करवटे, अभी वो रात में जागे लूं, अब मैं करवटे नहीं। तारों की सुनो तो तुम हो परी, क्यों कैसे आ गई, ये मुझसे मिली है कहाँ से तू आई। सो दिस लाइन आई थिंक इट वाज सेइंग कि इन परियों की दुनिया से दूर नहीं, तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताएं कि है जहाँ, वहां से उठा लूं तुझको। तारों से कहता तेरा पता बताए कि मैं भी देखूं तेरे कारीगर को। ये एक लाइन आई थी, मन के परे है तू तारों से कहीं, मन के तारों से कहीं। ये चिट्ठी को मांझे में बांध के बैरागी उड़ जाए कहीं। बैरागी बहुत कम यूज होता है सॉन्ग्स में एंड आई लव दैट वर्ड। बैरागी उड़ जाए कहीं, मेरे मन के परे है तू परियों में बसी, मैं फांग के बैठूं बादल में पर गिर जाऊं यहीं। Anyway, I can't find that line. There was one line which made me think 1 second, is she alive? But no. Anyway, loved it. 4 on 4 with 5 stars each. So 20 stars अभी तक. So ये दराज में it's a fifth song. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. हाँ, और ये last गाना is less than 2 minutes, which I think is a bonus track because it's not there on Genius. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna take a break here, guys, because I need to have lunch. But I want to finish this session in one video. I don't want to split it into because वो फिर, yeah. Well, just give me a little breather. I'll be back. I'm actually gonna be looping these 4 songs while I eat my lunch. So yay. Chalo, see you in a bit. Hello, humans. I'm back. I have had poha for lunch with chai, which I will continue having in this session. Chalo, let's move on. We have daraz mein. Daraz ka meaning kya hai? Ek second. Let's Google that before we get into. Daraz meaning long, tall, stretched out. Okay. Umre daraz for long life. Also refer to a drawer like in a desk. Okay. दराज में, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ड्रॉर है. Drawer. Okay. Why am I rolling my R's? Chalo, let's get into it. It is song 5 on the album. I got so excited, I just posted on Instagram and tagged Arpit. And Instagram got excited on my behalf and posted it 3 times. But shout out to Arpit. He said, thanks, man. And I said, no, thank you. Thank you for this. Okay, moving on. Daraz mein 1, 2, 3, play. Sounds like that toy, na?
दराज में है समेट कर थोड़ी सी जगह दे दो.
Oh, it's like a
लगे
lullaby.
ना दूर ना हाथ लगे कोने में सजा के रखो. हम याद हैं ये याद नहीं हमें तुम छुपा के रखो. दराज में हमें ही रखो. दराज में हमें ही रखो. हमें ही रखो. हमें तुम बुला लो ये मुश्किल नहीं. जलाना ना हमको एक कागज समझ हम निकलेंगे राख से बन के फिर रूह और भटकेंगे कमरे में देखे कि तू कहती थी तुम होता ना कुछ भूतों की बातों से लगता ना डर कभी हम बस बैठे हैं चुप कहीं तुम मानो ना हमको भी यूं कहती थी तुम कहूँ मैं तो कभी ना कभी तो वो भी गलत क्यों है ये वक्त शब्दों के जैसे हो जाती कमी है जब होती तुम ना 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 दराज में हमें ही रखो दराज में हमें ही रखो दराज में हमें ही रखो समेट कर थोड़ी सी जगह दे दो
Oh, the keys, the keys. Who's done the music? It just gives you that vibe of like, you know, musician on stage, singer with a mic, and they're just, you know, going at it. Loved it. AOD, Angad Virk, Adi Natwal, and Hanish Taneja. Beautiful. I cannot, I mean, ye thought firstly, daraz, firstly, the word itself, not used very often. I have not come across it. Maybe in the middle of a song somewhere it must have appeared, but not enough for me to like pay attention to it. But as a word itself, I have not heard it that much in the music landscape. And it just sounded so beautiful. दराज में समेट कर थोड़ी सी जगह दे दो लगे ना तू ना हाथ लगे कोने में सजा के रखो. So he's like, हम याद हैं या याद नहीं हमें तुम छुपा के रखो. Look at the thought. And the entire sonic landscape of it is such a, it's just in the, what zone would I put it in? It's like in the pleading zone, in this like aching, pleading, requesting, you know, zone. And I don't think it gets more vulnerable. Like he's been very vulnerable in all the tracks so far. Lekin ye jo hai ki please keep me somewhere, you know, in your memory box, in your drawer, in your this thing. It's kind of like, you know, we always wonder when relationships end or when we say bye to someone, we always wonder like, do they still remember us? Do they still think about us? Do they remember the moments we shared? Do they, do I still mean something, you know, even if it's like a tiny thing, tiny bit, do I still mean something to that person? And just those kind of thoughts pop up, whether we, you know, want them to or not. And I think deep down, everyone wonders this, whether, you know, you want to admit it or not. Everyone wonders whether that person that we spent that time with, or those moments with, or that phase of our life or chapter with, some people we leave that space not really caring if they remember us or not, but some of those really special ones we still wonder sometimes. And these are the kind of like thoughts that you part with and that stay with you, you know, for the people that really will always mean something to you. So this writing is just beautiful. Ye intro jo tha, usi mein I was like, what is this? It's so difficult to focus on the writing, the way his voice is being modeled. Yahan pe pata nahi, fifth or sixth voice Arpit Bala ki sunai di as the intro started, right? Daraz mein Sameer, when it was almost like spoken, but not really. I was like, I'm focusing on the voice and the change, and then him going. But I'm also like listening to the lyrics and thinking कि ये क्या लिख दिया है, ये बहुत ही, oh man, This is the kind of artist, this is the kind of person who really sits with his how do I put it? Who really sits with his micro emotions and thoughts, you know. He doesn't just live on a surface level. I know I've said this before, but I feel like it needs to be stated again. This kind of writing does not come from surface level, superficial kind of person who's cruising through life, you know. He's probably looked like that for a very long time, since he's been in the public eye, but I'm just insanely shocked at the how in touch with the micro emotions he actually is. So yeah, हम याद हैं या याद नहीं, हमें तुम छुपा के रखो, दराज में हमें ही रखो, नाराज में हमें ही रखो, दराज में हमें ही रखो, हमें तुम बुला लो, ये मुश्किल नहीं, जलाना ना हमको एक कागज समझ. He's like, please call me, ये मुश्किल नहीं है, and don't burn me like a कागज. हम निकलेंगे राख से बनके फिर रूह, और भटकेंगे कमरे में देखेगी तू. He's like, I'ma haunt you, man. I'ma haunt you, even if you burn me. I like it. I like it. कहती थी तुम होता ना, ये एक्चुअली फनीली मुझे वो मीम याद आ गया अभी 1-2 दिन पहले. आई सॉ कि everyone eventually turns to dust. That's why I don't dust my house. I could be it could be you I'm dusting. Sorry, random. कहती थी तुम होता ना कुछ, भूतों की बातों से लगता ना डर, तभी हम बस बैठे हैं चुप, कहीं तुम मानो ना हमको भी. ओहो ओहो भाई साहब, कवि क्या कह गए, कहीं तुम मानो ना हमको भी हो. कहती थी तुम को हमदम, कभी ना कभी तो वो भी गलत. कहती थी तुम को हमदम, कभी ना कभी तो वो भी गलत. क्यों है ये वक्त शब्दों के जैसे, हो जाती कमी है जब होती हो तुम. क्यों है ये वक्त शब्दों के जैसे, हो जाती कमी है जब होती हो तुम. ओहो. ओके आई डू दिस अगेन. कहती थी तुम को हमदम, कभी ना कभी तो वो भी गलत. क्यों है ये वक्त शब्दों के जैसे, हो जाती कमी है जब होती हो तुम. वक्त और शब्द दोनों कम पड़ जाते हैं जब होती हो तुम. रो. And then the na 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 singing bits. I want to listen to every song. दराज में हमें ही रखो, दराज में हमें ही रखो, नाराज में हमें ही रखो, दराज में समेट कर थोड़ी सी जगह देकर. Oh. You know, for the people that have really meant something to us in our lives, this will be the eternal plea, right? This will be the eternal request, the eternal mang. And what was the sonic landscape of this? What was the singing of this? You know what? I'm sorry. I'm going to listen to it again. Sorry, not sorry. 1, 2, 3, play. Starts like this lullaby or this children's toy.
दराज में समेट कर थोड़ी सी जगह दे दो, लगे ना दूर ना हाथ लगे, कोने में सजा के रखो. ये याद नहीं हमें तुम छुपा के रखो, दराज में हमें ही रखो, दराज में हमें ही रखो. मुश्किल नहीं जलाना ना हमको एक कागज समझ। हम निकलेंगे राख से बन के फिर रूह और भटकेंगे कमरे में देखे कि तू कहती थी तुम होता ना कुछ, भूतों की बातों से लगता ना डर, तभी हम बस बैठे हैं चुप, कहीं तुम मानो ना हमको भी यूं। कहती थी तुम कहूँ मैं कभी ना कभी तो वो भी गलत, क्यों है ये वक्त शब्दों के जैसे हो जाती कमी है जब होती तुम। ना 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 कुछ झूठे से बातों से तुमको नहला दूं अभी के अभी, फिर चाबी दबा के उस ठंडे से फर्श पे मैं महकूं कहीं। हाँ, कैसे तुमको मना है, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, हमें क्यों तड़पाती हो, क्यों ऐसे रहना, कैसे तुमको मना है, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, हमें क्यों तड़पाती हो, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना। उसका पता जो मेरे पलकों के पुल के पीछे, पलकों के पुल के पीछे, चुपके से आना जाना, चुपके से आना जाना, पैरों के पेच दबो के। उसका पता जो मेरे पलकों के पुल के पीछे, चुपके से आना जाना, पैरों के पेच दबो के। रुक जाते तो का ठिकाना, हम दो बस और बहाने, वो कल का आना जाना, तो कल से नजर छुपाते। I know, मुझे कल का पता नहीं, मेरा होना कहाँ या फिर रुकना वहाँ भी हूँ। चुप सा नहीं, कहना चाहता नहीं कि मैं रुकने की लेकर था या नहीं। को प्यार से भर के बोल सजा सारी रात, टूटे से गानों को हल्के से गाना, वो सारी कसमों को किश्तों में दोहराना, वो जाली बातों को सोने की जरी जड़ाना। कैसे तुमको मना है, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, हमें क्यों तड़पाती हो, क्यों ऐसे रहना, कैसे
very sexy music arrangements. Ye mood mein bhi aa gaye. We've heard this song, so I'm not going to comment on it. But as the last song was ending, I was like, oh, that explains the bedside table drawer situation in the cover art, na Daraz mein. Very nice. He's covering all the moods of romance, hai na? Chalo, let's go to best friend. For those wondering, Kaise Manaye I've already covered, so there's a separate video on it. Let's get to best friend. Who has done the music? Oh, Never Saw. What? Adil, Never Sober. Arpit, Adil, Akriti Lal, Riz Shen, Soham Mukherjee. Okay, my favorites are here, guys. Let's just get into it. Best friend. 1, 2, 3, play. Oh is on this.
I want you to be my best friend forever.
Ye pehla.
I want you to be my best friend forever. I want you to be my best friend forever. मेरी तुमसे एक शिकायत तुमसे ना नहीं है सुनना. कर लो जितनी उतनी कम है तुमसे बातें यूं से जाना. तो सज लो न सही फिलहाल इंतजार न करना मेरा. क्योंकि मेरा हाल जाना हो गया तो जाएंगे कहाँ. जाने जाना सुनती बातें चुप कैसे आंगन में. कहती है कहने के लिए मुझे जाने दो आज के लिए. जाने जाना सुनती बातें चुप कैसे आंगन में. कहती है सज के वो बैठी हो कपड़े अटैची में. चांदनी को घुस दे के होती रात सिफारिशों की. मन ही मन हम जाग लेते सब कहने को तो वो रखे चुप्पी सी. पर है पढ़ती एक एक अक्षर और कहती मुझको फिर वो. I want you to be my best friend forever. I want you to be my best friend forever. I want you to be my best friend forever. I want you to be my best friend forever.
अक्सर तुझे ताकती हूँ ताक ताक सोचती हूँ इतना जो मैं चाहती हूँ. क्या गलत हूँ क्या सही हूँ. क्या मैं ज्यादा कर रही हूँ क्या मैं काफी कर रही हूँ. बात बात पे जो टांग खींचती हूँ. पर तू बेवकूफ है मेरा इजहार तेरी समझ से कोसों दूर है. जो बार बार तुझे छूने के बहाने ढूंढती हूँ. क्या तू जानता है तुझसे तुझको मांगती हूँ. पर तू कहता मुझे तेरा best friend forever.
I want you to be my best friend forever. I want you to be my best friend forever. I want you to be my best friend forever.
You know, he's picked the right collaborator for every track and every vibe. This was freaking awesome. Like, first in the starting, I was not loving the hook. I was like, it's a very like ठीक है एक line है repeat हो रही है. But one, the layering of their vocals and you know them singing it together And each time then the hook came, it meant something different, which I really like. I think this has happened before in Bhagwan. So he's saying that you पर मैं पढ़ती एक एक wait one sec कहने को तो वो रखे चुप सी पर है पढ़ती एक एक अक्षर और कहती मुझको वो I want you to be my best friend. So he thinks that she wants him to be her best friend forever, right? So he thinks she's friend zoning him, and she thinks she's like क्या तू जानता है तुझसे तुझको मांगती हूँ पर तू कहता है I want you to be my best friend forever. So he's telling her and she's thinking that why is he telling me I want you to be my best friend? I want other things. So I think they both want more, but they both think the other person only wants friend zone. So they are both stuck in that what do I do about the situation state. है ना? They're both kind of suspended. I just love what was this music arrangement? So good, man. So freaking good. Each song and the micro moment and micro thought that it's tapped into, and the way this one played from the female and male perspective is just brilliant freaking writing. By the time the song ended and the second time, like her verse end and it moved into that same line of the hook, I was like, I'm loving this hook now. That's how it progressed for me. So by the time the song ended, I'm like, no, we don't want BFF. So, okay, verse 1 पहले तुमसे एक शिकायत, तुमसे ना नहीं है सुनना, कर लो जितनी उतनी कम है तुमसे बातें यूं समथिंग समथिंग. तो सज लो उनसे ही फिलहाल, इंतजार ना करना मेरा, क्योंकि मेरा हाल जाना हो गया जान के कहाँ, हो गया जान के कहाँ, जाने जा. You guys know how much I love John and जाने जा. जाने जाना सुनती बातें चुपके से आंगन में, कहती है कहने के लिए मुझे जाने दो आज के लिए, जाने जाना कहती है कहने के लिए. मुझे वो याद आ गया यहाँ पे, अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर. दैट सॉन्ग केम टू माइंड. जाने जाना सुनती बातें चुपके से आंगन में, कहती है सच कि वो बैठी वो कपड़े अटैची में, कहती है सच कि वो बैठी वो कपड़े अटैची. Okay, is this someone who's traveling and going away, or what is the scene? चांदनी को घूस देके, I was like, okay, there's a thought. होती रात से फारिशों की मन ही मन हम झांक लेते सब, कहने को तो वो रखे चुप सी पर है पढ़ती एक एक अक्षर और कहती मुझको वो I want you to be my best friend forever. अक्सर तुझे ताकती हूँ ताक, first of all, forced voice. The way she was delivering these lines, very sultry, very borderline, or maybe not even borderline, it was kind of in the sexy zone, but I feel like there was a bit of flirtiness in it, है ना? अक्सर तुझे ताकती हूँ ताक ताक सोचती हूँ इतना ताकते रहते तुझको. That song came to mind. I just feel like there are certain lines and words and phrases in this project that are reminding me of super hit songs of yesteryears. I feel like ताकते रहते तुझको is happening. पहले एक और I had mentioned, then एक और I had mentioned, like ऐसे बहुत सारे like, and there's no phrase taking, there's no this thing, but it's just words. And it's so weird, right? How our mind associations work. We hear a word and we're like, oh, that song. Anyway, coming back. ताक ताक सोचती हूँ इतना जो मैं चाहती हूँ, क्या गलत हूँ क्या सही हूँ. क्या मैं ज्यादा कर रही हूँ क्या मैं काफी कर रही हूँ. This dilemma. We're all in the same boat. ये सबका रहता है, बट ब्यूटिफुली फ्रेज्ड बाय हर. आई लव्ड इट. क्या मैं ज्यादा कर रही हूँ क्या मैं काफी कर रही हूँ, बात बात पे जो टांग खींचती हूँ, पर तू बेवकूफ है मेरा इजहार तेरी समझ से कोसों दूर. You're just not getting it, dude. Freaking understand what's going on here. Guys are dumb sometimes. What can we do? जो बार बार तुझे छूने के बहाने ढूंढती हूँ, क्या तू जानता है तुझसे तुझको मांगती हूँ पर तू कहता है stupids. Just say. So fun. I love this song. By the time it ended, that hook was just loving it. Chalo, let's get to the last. No, there's one more, but Rakh lo tum chupa ke. Also, I have to say the track list and the way it's arranged, the way one song is flowing into the next, gorgeous, beautiful. It's such a beautiful, beautiful thing when we get projects that can be looped from start to end and looped again and looped again and looped again. It's just the flow of it is just, yeah, what we wait for. Rakh lo tum chupa ke. One sec, let's check the credits. Quickly, AOD, Harish Taneja, Adil, Arvid Bala, and Adil Mishra. Okay. 1, 2, 3, play. Rakh lo tum chupa ke is kind of like Daraz mein, you know? Oof.
रख लो तुम छुपा के फिर खत लिख के ही कहना सिमटी सी लिखाई नहीं भरना अपना गम जो रखती हो छुपा के बटोर लो कहीं पे जोड़ दो लिफाफे में सजा के हमें ऐसी यूं सजा दो कि हम पढ़ के जाने गलती और गलती कल से ना हो हमें ऐसी एक सजा दो कि हम जाने सारी दूरी हमसे जो रूठ गई हो रहती चुप हो के पूरे दिन तुम लिख लो जैसे कटघरे में हम खत पढ़ लेंगे शौक से इस एक पल के बहाने फिर हम गलती से पास आएंगे फिर कहने की थी गलती और उसका क्या ही कहना रख लो तुम छुपा के फिर खत लिख क्या ही कहना सिमटी सी लिखाई में ही भरना अपना गम रख लो तुम छुपा के फिर खत लिख क्या ही कहना सिमटी सी लिखाई में ही भरना अपना गम
Who's on the guitar? Adil.
Hey yo, that was KJ Lalu. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा please do let me know man. My name is Arvid Bala. I'm trying to make music man. That's all. Thank you so much for listening.
Hey, that's sweet. Felt like he was on stage performing the whole set. Really felt like it was a live show, and um, mad props to all the producers and music arrangers on this, musicians, everyone involved in the production of this project. Because man, ayo, that was Arvid Bala. That was Kichen Lalu. Sorry, my name's Arvid Bala. I'm just trying to make music, man. That's all. Thank you so much for listening. Like that really sounded like him thanking the audience from stage and walking off into the wings after taking a bow. But really beautiful. This is the kind of music, the kind of project, the kind of writing, the kind of singing, the kind of production, the kind of craftsmanship that is going to take the music scene in India forward. It's so freaking good. Oh, Arpit, man. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for making this project with so much delicate, like, usko, how can I put this? With so much precision, so much care, so much finesse, so much attention to detail, and just so much heart and soul, man. at the end of the day, it's just about that. When you try to make music, or try to make art, or put yourself out there, it's just about how vulnerable can you be, how much can you let people into your world, um how much can you bear of yourself, so that others will be drawn to you, and feel a bond with you and feel a connection with you. And you've done it so freaking beautifully in this project. Just I love it. I love it. I'm going to listen to this RTC bonus before my closing thoughts. 1, 2, 3, play.
रख लो तुम छुपा के, फिर खत लिख के ही कहना, सिमटी सी लिखाई में ही भरना अपना गम। जो रखती हो छुपा के, बटोर लो कहीं पे जोड़ दो, लिफाफे में सजा के हमें ऐसी यूं सजा दो कि हम पढ़ के जाने गलती, और गलती कल से ना हो। हमें ऐसी एक सजा दो कि हम जाने सारी दूरी हमसे जो रूठ गई हो, रहती चुप हो के पूरे दिन तुम लिख लो जैसे कटघरे में हम खत पढ़ लेंगे शौक से। इसी एक पल के बहाने फिर हम गलती से पास आएंगे, फिर कहने की थी गलती और उसका क्या ही कहना। रख लो तुम छुपा के, फिर खत लिख के ही कहना, सिमटी सी लिखाई में ही भरना अपना गम। रख लो तुम छुपा के, फिर खत लिख के ही कहना, सिमटी सी लिखाई में ही भरना अपना गम।
Or it's the original version. Beautiful, beautiful. I didn't talk about the lyrics of this Rakh Lo Tum Chupa Ke. So this version that we just heard, RTC bonus, that is, I'm seeing in the comments, it's the original version that he had probably shared on his live stream or something, huh? So so nice that he released that as well. People have been waiting for this for a long time, clearly. रख लो तुम छुपा के, फिर खत लिख के ही कहना, सिमटी सी लिखाई में भी भरना अपना गम। उफ, थॉट्स थॉट्स। मुझे रखती हो छुपा के, बटोर लो कहीं पे जोड़ दो, लिफाफे में सजा के हमें ऐसे यूं सजा दो कि हम पढ़ के जाने गलती, और गलती कल से ना हो। हमें ऐसी एक सजा दो कि हम जाने सारी दूरी, हमसे जो रूठ गई हो, रहती चुप होके पूरे दिन तुम लिख लो जैसे कटघरे में हम खत पढ़ लेंगे शौक से। तुम लिखो जैसे कटघरे में हम खत पढ़ लेंगे शौक से। इस एक पल के बहाने फिर हम गलती से पास आएंगे, फिर कहने की थी गलती और उसका क्या ही कहना। रख लो तुम छुपा के, फिर खत लिख के ही कहना, सिमटी सी लिखाई में ही भरना अपना गम। हाँ man, sometimes that is better, है ना? Like silent treatment is not good. Just write it all. Send it. Write everything. Just, I feel, is... Why is this annotation? Okay. Which weird hai is lyric. Okay, anyway. So yeah, that's it. It's this one started playing Pyari Amanat ka instrumental version. I'm gonna listen to the instrumental versions also. Like, I'm not saying I'm gonna loop this album from track 1 to 9. I'm gonna loop it from 1 to 18 17 yeah, 17, because the music is so beautiful. And it almost feels like and I'd had this thought when Pyari Amanat I had first heard. Thoda sa starting mein, like, bossa nova vibes were coming with the arrangement, and that's just such a super chill place. I love anytime I want to just relax and have some beautiful music in the background, I just go to a bossa nova playlist. But That said, I think the influences in the music, I think the influences in the writing, all of that has just come together. It's so beautiful, actually, right? When I'm actually thinking about this, every person is a sum of their influences and their experiences. And when people with so many of those things come together on a project like this, they add so many little details and elements that just make it something this freaking beautiful. I love it. I love it. All the collaborators on this project with him, and just Arpit Bala as an artist, as a solo artist, as a project artist, as an album artist. I think he has really just come into his own. And anyone who hears this project, anyone who has never followed him or known of him before, I feel that they will just take away, you know, the image of him as this very polished, very confident of his art, very knows what he wants to make when it comes to making his music, and just an overall artist who delivers with finesse. You know, that's the image they'll take away. And as someone who's been around and has followed him from the start, and is now seeing him in this avatar, in this album, in these songs, will probably just take away a feeling of overwhelming joy and pride. And you know that, you know, because when you are a fan of someone and you follow them for a long time, you just want to, you're invested in their journey and you're invested in their success as well. So it's just, you know, when someone you've been batting for does well and even exceeds your expectations, it's just a secondhand degree of satisfaction, joy, and kya bolte hain? Like you feel like you only won, hai na? When your favorite person wins in life. So they'll walk away with that feeling, the fans who've been around a long time. And I think overall it's just a win-win. I'm somewhere in between. I've kind of known he's you know, been a known personality online, but I've never really followed the content. And I also have never really consumed his art as much. Of course, that changed a little this year. But so I'm somewhere in the middle. And I am just taking away that this kind of artistry was needed in the scene. I'm grateful for the artist he is. I'm grateful for a project like this as a simple fan of music. And I am just in awe of the intent and the final product. So beautiful. I'm just trying to make music, man. Keep doing that, Arpit. Keep trying to make music. And Keychain Lalu naam kyun rakha hai, ye abhi tak mystery hai. So if you can please shed some light on that, that would be nice. And actually, I have many questions for after hearing this project, but I need to loop this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, and really drown myself in the sonicscapes that he has given us. Loved it. Beautiful. Keychain Lalu is an absolute winner. There's zero misses on this project, and it just makes my heart so freaking happy. Just as someone who wants to see the music scene in India grow, this is a godsend. Godsend. So mad respect to every creative involved in this project. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for the art. Thank you so much for the music. Let me know which track was your favorite. It's very hard for me to pick my favorite, honestly. But for personal reasons, I will say Daraz Mein is top. Uske baad Chuppi, Champakali to matlab there only Chuppi, Pyari Aman. I mean, I love all of them, guys. I loved all of them. Rakh Lo Tum Chupa Ke, Best Friend also. It's just a winner. It's just a winner. But yeah, on that note, let me know what's your favorite track and what you love the most about this project. I hope there's a video for Champakali and Daraz Mein. Actually, these are the two I would be really looking forward to watching. But yeah, let me know, comment below, and thanks again, Arpit. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
तारों से कहता तेरा पता बता